Centro de Salud Familiar La Fe takes care of public health and also has a cultural center to take care of the well-being of the people of Segundo Barrio. One of these programs is the Folklorico dance group, led by Emmanuel Alfaro.
When you mention dance, people don't think that that's actual exercise, and it is. These women are jumping, they're falling on the ground, they're using their arms for their skirt work, and the skirt is not light, it's really, really heavy. Helping these women be, like I said, something great in our community, having our community actually acknowledging that, and I mean, these girls get to showcase what they can do. Right now, I mean, everything that everybody's talking about, that, you know, women are powerful. They are, and they're showing it and they're proving it.
This dance program helps to build self-esteem, discipline, confidence, and the improved wellness of these young girls.
Most of the girls that I get, younger ladies, they come in with low self-esteem. They come in not being sure of themselves. They come in shy, embarrassed. But when they get on that stage and they've practiced to get on that stage, the moment they walk on that stage, they forget all that. And they end up loving being on that stage. They're keeping these girls active, doing something positive. We're teaching them, I mean, not only you are going to come here and exercise, you have to be careful what you're eating, how you're taking care of your body. We have the clinic here, so most of the girls get their physicals here, and they learn about their bodies, the changes of their bodies. Like you were saying, that sometimes we as kids, we don't want to talk to our parents about stuff because we're embarrassed or we're scared about it. But like I said, we have the physicians here that can take care of that, can talk to our kids about that.
The influence that dance has not only affects the girls positively, but their families as well.
And I'll be surprised, some of these little girls will even tell their moms, "Mom, it's time for your checkup." And it's amazing because it's like, whoa, you never ever hear an 8-year-old tell their mom, "Mom, I learned this in school today. You need to go get your checkup." So yeah, it's amazing. They're learning quick, and that's why I'm proud of being part of La Fe.
This is Emma Leslie reporting for Journalism in July.